In this video, I'm going to share to you on how we can make a sunburst chart in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Word. Click on Microsoft Word under the best match. Click on the blank document. Or if you already have your document, simply open that. Then you just need to simply look at the ribbon and click on the Insert tab. And here we can find Chart. Click on that. Now you'll find this insert chart window. You can find all charts and here you can find sunburst. Okay, so just simply click on sunburst chart and click on OK. Now once this is added, you can see that there's an Excel sheet that will appear from here. So here you can change your data from here. Okay, you can change that from here, and then once you have changed that, let's say for example you're going to change this one, that will automatically be applied into your sunburst chart. Okay, you can also change the chart styles from here. You have here at the top. You can choose for your style and your preference if you wanted to. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can easily make a sunburst chart in Microsoft Word. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.